Buster. You hear one of them alpine rattlers? Huh? The rattlers that you see at 10,000 feet? Huh? And they're rattling because they're shivering? That's what you hear? Alpine rattlers? I love a sharp dresser.
Put it on you.
I don't know how to reverse it while it's going.
Hey Buster, get over here. Come here.
Oops, there's a camera over there. See, we didn't know it, did we, Doodle? No, we didn't know it. Oh, and all the aspens are getting new leaves. So pretty. And there is a Arctic pterodactyl. Boy, this never disappoints, does it?
Huh?
Never disappoints. Yeah. There's another small lake over there. That's where we're going to go try and fill the water buckets when we've used the water that we brought. A lot easier access than driving way down there to the power plant, which is a lot further away than it looks. It is very deceiving out here how far away things are. Where's Bubba? Hey, Bubba. Thought you was gone, dog. And I'll get me in the shot. Yep. Sharp dresser. Oh, man. Sharp dresser. Here we go. Back to Bubba. Bubba, don't you get blowed down the hill. Don't you get blowed off down the hill. Some campers way over there. Boy, it's a nice day. It's in the 50s. I think it's supposed to get up to like 61 or 62 today. Slight chance of rain this afternoon, but that's the case every day here. Pretty. Now the lake is super low because they are anticipating the runoff from the snow. I've seen a couple of headlines in the news about they're worried about some isolated flooding in some areas of Colorado because they've had so much snow this past winter. I think they've had over 200 inches, and so they've reduced the level of the lake way back there in the distance is where we were staying below the dam, and they were constantly releasing water, and the little river coming out of the dam was really high from other times that we've seen it. So I guess they're bracing themselves to avoid a mess and a disaster. So pretty. That's one of my favorite mountain views right there. The sharp, jagged ridge line there. And there's Bubba TTing on the world. Come on, Bubba. Let's tell everybody bye. Go on, say bye. See you next time. Say bye. See you next time. You want to take a nap? You want to see him later? You do? See you later, Mater. Right there is our camping spot. And the waters are up so high because of the snow melt. The water has gotten all the way back here where it was just dry and grassy. See? And right there, it's like up to my knee at least. See how high it is over here? Right there. Wow. And right there is where the truck was, on the other side of those trees. That's a lot of water.